This MAODANER Dreamcolor car LED strip light kit uses dense acrylic-covered diodes to create a bright, even glow that looks more refined than typical point light strips. The 10-in-1 layout with multiple strip lengths and separate footwell lamps makes it easy to cover dashboards, doors, and floor areas for a fully integrated interior look. Between the Bluetooth application, wireless remote, and hidden touch button, you get flexible control over colors, patterns, and power without cluttering the cabin. The smart Dreamcolor effects can run smooth, chasing and dancing patterns or hold a single steady shade, so you can switch from showy to subtle depending on your mood. A built-in music sensor reacts to voices and songs so the lighting can pulse in time with your soundtrack, which adds a fun, immersive feel on night drives. Low-voltage operation, short-circuit protection, water resistance, and cut-to-fit strips make this kit a safe, universal option for customizing almost any car or truck.